Hey, welcome back to YT Finance, and today we are going to be talking about ChargePoint SBE stock, BLNK Charging BLNK stock, and Plug Power PLUG stock, along with other alternative electric vehicle infrastructure stocks. Remember to like this video right now for electric vehicle stocks, and comment down below your thoughts on ChargePoint SBE stock. I do apologize for my voice, I am very sick, but that is not going to stop me from uploading or stop you from getting your 4 free stocks with Webull. Webull is a brokerage where you can buy and sell stocks, options, and cryptocurrencies easily. Right now, if you make an account with Webull, they will give you 2 free stocks, each worth anywhere from $2 to $250. And if you invest $100 or more on your first deposit, you will get 2 more free stocks, each valued from $8 to $1,600. You are basically guaranteed to make $20 or more if you cash out immediately, or you could luck out and receive up to $3,200. Not to mention that you also have a 1 in 100 chance of getting stocks like Facebook, Starbucks, or Snapchat, and you have a 1 in 50 chance of getting stocks like Google, Procter & Gamble, or Heinz. To get this great offer, just tap on the link in my description box down below, but do it quickly because this offer ends on New Year's Day. Now let's get into our first article. So Switchback Energy acquisition, ticker symbol SBE, is expected to merge with ChargePoint between now and January 15th, and the reverse merger is set to raise $2.4 billion, but SBE's price is kind of irrational right now. Considering in November SBE was priced at $19 and now the stock is priced around $39, but once we get past the froth of this stock, we can determine how much money SBE can actually make us in the long term. Special purpose acquisition companies known as SPACs have exploded in popularity in 2020 because it provides the company with an easier route to go public with less paperwork than a traditional initial public offering or IPO. However, normally SPACs jump in price before the merger is completed just to come crashing back down, but for SBE, providing charging stations in America and across Europe, this company could be more than a gold mine. SBE stock went from $10 per share in September to being valued over $30 per share by Thanksgiving. Listen to what this author writes about ChargePoint, and I quote, "But don't let that volatility scare you away from SBE stock," end quote. Basically, he's saying that don't get scared away if the price is going up and down, because in the long term, the growth will continue as long as it's given just a little bit of a nudge. However, let's not get carried away. This stock will be susceptible to various pullbacks and corrections, especially with the current valuation and market cap being so high. But nonetheless, the long-term growth looks very promising for ChargePoint. ChargePoint was founded in 2007, and they currently have 115,000 electric vehicle charging stations in 14 countries. With ChargePoint's already built infrastructure and experience, paired with the fact that SBE is being backed by many institutional investors and even an oil company, this stock is anticipated to undergo rapid growth and development in the next 5 years. Investors who are on this electric vehicle wave, both locally or abroad, do not want to miss out on electric vehicle infrastructure stocks like SBE. The interest for these stocks are here, and the electric vehicles could be daily drivers in the next 10 years, so we don't want to miss this opportunity while the companies are relatively young, such as ChargePoint, BLNK Charging, Plug Power, and even Neo Li Auto, or any of those stocks. ChargePoint already is international and can be valued at $94 in the next 5 years, almost tripling its current valuation right now. But it is always good to hedge your bets with multiple infrastructure stocks and wait for SBE to pull back after the merger, because it is rather overvalued currently depending on how long you are willing to hold the stock. Many electric vehicle giants will be made during our time, with Tesla already leading the charge to eco-friendly power. Think of electric vehicle infrastructure stocks like gas stations. This makes ChargePoint, BLNK Charging, and Plug Power derivative stocks because they directly will not make revenues unless electric vehicle sales continue to rise, which they are set to. If for some reason you do not like ChargePoint SBE stock, think of BLNK Charging BLNK stock or Newborn Acquisition stock NBAC as a hedge or alternative. Although SBE radically outperforms these other two electric vehicle infrastructure stocks, I just wanted to give you the knowledge and other options in case you wanted to look into them further. For example, BLNK Charging has been around since 1998, and they have electric vehicle charging stations in the United States at prime locations like hotels and airports. BLNK stock has had a great year because it has surged 1,364% year to date, which is absolutely amazing. BLNK Charging has recently introduced a pole mounting kit for their IQ200 EV charging stations, which holds BLNK's 35-pound load charger to charge vehicles even faster and more conveniently. BLNK Charging's CEO says this technology changes the game, which will gain them a lot of growth in 2021. BLNK's greatest advantage is their long-term revenue, so they actually plan to starve out newer competitors of revenue until the competition leaves. Another example is Newborn Acquisition, which is a SPAC who plans to merge with a Chinese company, which has a different function than SBE or BLNK Charging. This company develops vehicle-to-grid technology, or V2G technology, which allows electric vehicle owners to drain excess energy from their vehicle back into the electric grid and get paid for it. Tesla is actually in this field, but nonetheless, this could be a great EV infrastructure stock to own in the future. But what about alternative technology like hydrogen fuel cell technology? Because I am very, very bullish on this technology. But hydrogen fuel cell is more expensive and dangerous than electricity. Hydrogen has one of the highest energy densities on the periodic table. It's extremely light and it is very plentiful. Hydrogen fuel cells, though, beat electric batteries in range, power, recharge time, and emissions. This technology will most likely be used in semi-trucks, planes, and even forklifts, but a regular car might be too dangerous to put this in. The market for this technology is worth $11 trillion, and Plug Power, even though they might not look great right now, has incredible potential because they are one of the industry leaders in this sector. Plug Power will supply hydrogen fuel cell technology to warehouse operators like Walmart and Amazon. Plug Power is a great choice and a long-term winner that can diversify your portfolio and bring you major gains in the future, hopefully. Two other stocks that I will quickly mention are Ballard Power, ticker symbol BLDP, and Bloom Energy, ticker BE, because they also have hydrogen fuel cell technology that is in use today right now. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see all of you in the next YT video.